Welcome to Weekly Rewind. This week I returned to Mill Creek Falls in York County, Pennsylvania, but started from a different trail. I also visited Chestnut Grove and Clark Nature Preserves in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. The fall weather continues to bring a change in the colors of the leaves. Don't forget to let me know if you have a favorite part of the video. Just wanted to mention, when there are a lot of leaves on the ground, you're going to make a lot of noise as you're walking, so it's good to stop ever so often so you can listen and watch for wildlife. Just saw a few gray squirrels, eastern gray squirrels, running across the path up ahead. So it's just good to stop, look, and listen. I heard something scurrying in front of me, and this little eastern chipmunk ran across the path. Standing here looking at each other. Did you see any interesting wildlife this week? Is there any wildlife in this video that you'd like to learn more about? Don't forget to let me know in the comments section. I've included links to videos from my archives that I think you'll enjoy. Be sure to check them out if you have the time. Thanks for watching.